Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video blog, I'll show you how and where to quickly get photos for dropshipping on eBay, and also how to quickly make the photos compatible for eBay. If anybody new to this channel, my name's Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm also the author of eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. One of the big advantages of dropshipping is that you never have to physically see, touch or ship the products that you sell. And you normally don't need to take photos of the products that you sell either. For this reason, most eBay dropship sellers don't take their own photos. They use the photos from their suppliers, competitors, and/or they find more online. But the problem is, often those photos are the wrong format or the wrong size for eBay. Let me show you how to quickly get around these problems, and also how to quickly find more images. Let's use this lamp set from Costco as an example. The first thing to do is click on the photo to make it large. Sometimes you'll need to click more than once to make the photo large. Then once you have clicked on the photo to make it large, right click using Google Chrome and select Save Image As and then Save. If you're not using Google Chrome as your web browser, you can download Google Chrome for free. Now notice when the photo is saved, the file type was .jfif, which is not compatible with eBay. eBay only allows photos with file types JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF or BMP. However, converting to other file types like from this GIF image to JPEG is not a problem. There are many ways to do this. Here is one way. Go to where you just saved that file, mouse over it, right click and select Open With, and then select Paint. Microsoft Paint comes for free with every Windows computer, or if you don't have Windows, the Mac equivalent is called Paintbrush. Now, two things we can do here with Paint. The first is you can resize the image to whatever size you want, and you do that by clicking the resize button up at the top left, and then select Pixels. And then you can select any size you wish. For eBay requires images a minimum of 500 pixels, but preferably a minimum of 1600, that's 1600 pixels on the longest side, so that buyers can zoom in. Once you've resized the image, if resizing was required, the next step is to save it. And to do that, go to File at the top left, then scroll down to Save As, and then select JPEG. And now Paint will save the image as an eBay compatible JPEG file. Note also that there are also free jfif to JPEG converters out there like Convertio. However, often they limit you to how many images you can convert until you upgrade to a paid service. So if you're just starting out, you might just want to start with something like Paint. Now with a program like Paint, there's no limits. To find other converters, just Google jfif to JPEG. The next thing you can do with Google is check to see if there are any more similar images. To do that, go to Google and search for Google Image Search. And then click on Images Google, and this will take you to Google Images, and then make sure you save this as a favorite. From Google Images, click on Search by Image, then upload an image. For this demonstration, I'll use the same image as I used a moment ago. And now Google will show me everywhere that identical image is showing. This can be a very fast way to find more images that are different resolutions. Of course, in making this video, I have to say, always check with the owner of the photo to make sure that you're allowed to use it. If you want more detail about building a full-time dropship business from scratch and from home, I'll put a link on the screen and below to a previous week's video showing how to make $1,000 profit per week dropshipping on eBay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.